Good evening and thanks for joining us tonight. We hope you're safe. I'm Ashley Katz.
Hello, good evening. I'm Bob Clausen. We start tonight, of course, with the latest on the coronavirus crisis. The number of confirmed cases COVID-19 continues to swell in Arkansas. The state now has more than 1,600. 4 more deaths were announced today, bringing the total to 37. Another huge number that keeps climbing: unemployment claims. Today, the governor announcing a new unemployment website and expanded hotline hours. You can find more information on that by going to our website, krk.com.
Our Jay Burr was at the governor's news conference today. He joins us now live from the Capitol with more on the help on the way for Arkansans. Jay?
Yeah, good evening, guys. We've been saying since the onset of this that this COVID-19 pandemic, not just a health crisis, but also an economic one as well. And today, the discussions are starting to ramp up a little bit about plans to maybe get the state back to some sense of normalcy. Governor Asa Hutchinson reviewing some of those numbers today, pointing out that the new cases are falling and hospitalization numbers steady. And you'll remember he has created a medical team for post-peak reopening of Arkansas. Now, first on the governor's list is getting those elective surgeries back up and going, as many hospitals in the state feeling the pinch on that, and other industries will be discussed as needed. Now, the governor did have a conference call with the president and other governors around the nation this afternoon on what some of the procedures would look like to open things back up. And the recommendations are that the states with declining case numbers and strong testing capabilities will make their own call on how to lighten restrictions in phases over 2-week periods, and then further action can be taken after that. Arkansas cautiously optimistic and will proceed with prudence when discussing what measures to loosen up.
We are looking at how quickly and how safely we can start to peel back some of these directives and revise some of these guidance documents. But please keep up the good work. We want to do this wisely so that we end as well as we've begun.
People see the balance that we have tried to maintain, and because of that, people are anxious to go back to work, but they also know that we're operating as a team to keep the numbers down and looking for ways that we can re-engage and reinvigorate our economy.
Now, you guys mentioned some of those unemployment numbers. The state now at around 150,000 Arkansans who have filed for unemployment, and the Department of Commerce announcing today a new website and a means for those who are self-employed to be able to file for that benefit when that system is up and running. So far, they've got about 7,000 people signed up for that email alert. Also, the hours of the hotline have now been extended. You might remember in the early session that they were discussing this on a big-time level. That hotline will now be functioning from 6 a.m. until 6 p.m., but they will not take new calls after 4 p.m. So if somebody is on hold or something like that, then they will get to your call. They will try to clear out that queue up until 6 p.m. They also do have that hotline going 6 days a week now. Hope to get that going 7 days a week coming up in the near future. Live from the state capitol, Jay Burr, KRK 4 News.